Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can mail merge in Gmail based on different email templates in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight. Sending bulk emails is routine work for businesses. They do it for different purposes, for example, sending weekly newsletters or informing existing customers about software updates via email, or informing all employees of a department about the next meeting. But Gmail doesn't have the option. Here, Foresight works best. Now let's see how to mail merge with multiple templates. See this Google Sheet. Here we have 5 more columns along with email and first name. Those are last name, email template name, purchase date, renewal date, and coupon code. We're going to send bulk emails to these users according to the email template. We will download this sheet as CSV, which will be used in Foresight Rule. Now sign into Foresight using your Google Workspace account, then click on the New Rule button. Select the Data Upload trigger. Click on the Upload box and upload the CSV file. When the upload is done, you will see the fields of CSV appears. Click Next. Now select the If action from the Actions window. In the first branch, we'll check if the field, the email template name, is equal to "Thank you for your purchase." Then click Add Next Action and select Email Action. At first, you may need to grant necessary permissions to Foresight. Now select the email variable in the To field. Enter the subject and email body. In the email body, we will use the purchase date variable. For that, type double curly brackets and you will see a list of variables. Select purchase date. In the right side, you can see an automation graph. Click on the If action shape to go back to If condition and add second branch. In the second branch, we'll check if this field's value is "Thank you for your loyalty." Then we'll send an email for this specific template and insert the renewal date in the email body. In the third branch, we'll check if this field's value is a coupon code, then we will send an email accordingly. Insert a coupon code in the email. Click Review. Enter rule name. Now you can see a rule card is created. Click on the Upload icon on the rule card and upload the same CSV file once again. You can see the execution progress. After the rule execution, you will get the notification in the top right corner. See the details. As you can see, the rule has been executed successfully. Also, check the Sent folder of your Gmail. You can see different emails are sent to different users according to their template name. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well.